Another is what are the context here. Context means like I am going to run here the ls and -z option, because if I am running here ls -help command, so it will display some information where I am going to check here the -z, which will actually display the information about the context, the SELinux information of any directory or any file. Okay, so if I am going to run here the ls and -z, so it will display some information here. The information is a different information you will get here. Like if you are going to ls and -l, it will displaying the different, and when I am running here the ls and z, it will displaying the different. So right now it is displaying the information of the SELinux. What is the SELinux? Have the information and who is the user. So it is provide this information. And similar, if I am going to run here the ls and -z for the / directory, so you can check here the / directory having the different permission, and every different directory have a different permission. For the boot, you can say the object system user -u is actually system user, and this is the object, and this is the text. So here is the u, r and t. So u for the user, who is the user, system user, and object is a R is a role. What is the role of the user? And the T is a type. So because these are the user and the role is a advanced level of the configuration, so it is not required to know more about it, but you can go and search and do the study by yourself. Text type is a part of the RSCSA this certification. So we will discuss about the about the type. So on every time you cannot see here the system user. Here is a unconfined, means there is a no user has been defined for this. Okay, so if I am going to use here the lsz this command and -etc and the SELinux and run this command, so here is also the system user. So type is a multiple types are there. You can define any types or for this. Okay, for the example, like I am going to create a new directory, the my directory inside here, and if I am going to run here ls and z, and you can see here the MIDR what I have created, then is no user is defined here, unconfined user. Okay, and this is the home directory, so that is the providing here the user home. So multiple type of the text are there, HTTP text, FTP text, and lots of the text are there which can be used. Okay, so right now if you want to be set the text for this, so there is a cmanage is used for this, and if you use the cmanage here as cmanage, and here is the multiple options are here, the import, export, login, user, port, IPv key, interface, lots of the things are there, but we are focusing over the f context. This is the type, f context type. So if I want to manage the f context, then I need to get the more information about this, then I can use this command cmanage and hit enter. On a cmanage you can check here information exists, but not more information exists. Like if I want to get the information about the f context. So f context, there is a only provide the manage the file context matching definition, that's it, not more information exist here. But when I am going to check here the C also, then I find here the C manage f context information exist here. So I am going to quit this and C manage f context and here open this file. So in this file you will see here the lots of the options are available, and not only the all of available, but also you can see here the examples are given where you can use the SC manage f context -a-t and provide the t and this information. Okay, so why I will provide the a and the t, so the information will be written here. So here is the -a for the all files and inside any directory, so it will be deployed here. T is a mention for the type. If I want to be, this is the HTTP sys content, this type, and this command can be used to check for this. So there is a two parts. If I want to be manage this, so I just copy this one from here and I need to be changed from here. If I am going to copy this one, and quit here and paste here, and right now because there is a dir, this directory, I am going to create this directory and change the f context. This is very detailed part of the f context. Now, what are the f context may be possible. Okay, so I am going to create any other directory, mkdir /webdir, and right now I am going to change here. Right now I am going to check here the ls-z for the web/webdir, and not actually information exists, but I am running this. Then vir is a default value, object is a default, and user is a default. No user is defined for this. If I am going to use this here and I am putting here webdir, this command, and hit enter, so this has been changed. But right now, do you understand about this web directory? Inside the web directory, any content, dot means any content hidden or non-hidden, and asterisk means all the file. So these are the content is given. So I have deployed this. If I have deployed this, then I will run again this command and I have seen, is there any different this and this? No, there is a no different. So what is the benefit here? Like I am going to check here the same manage here. So what it is saying in an example, you must use the restore configuration -r-b and give here the directory name, because whatever the changes you have done, these changes are stored in a policy and these are not implemented for the kernel. If you want to be deployed for the kernel, then you will use the restore recon or restore configuration -r-b for the particular context. So why using the -r and -br for the restore configuration? So you can check the -help command. It will display you why you use to -b. It is not displaying here. Okay, -r recursive mode and -v verbosely, and give the file name here where you want to be restore relabeled. So it is relabeled from the this was the previous configuration. Right now this is the configuration. So what I have changed only the one type here. We have not changed the user, we have not changed the role, we have changed only the text by using the -t option here. So it has been changed. If I will make any type of the configuration, so it will be displayed here. So if I am going to use again this ls-z option, then you can see here these are has been